Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to monetize a blog on Bluehost with ads. So I will just tap on official blog list on how to make money monetize, and if you want to create the account and purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of this Bluehost, please go through the link in description. So can you make money blogging on Bluehost? Simple. Money in Bluehost pays at least $65 per person you refer that signs up. So these rates can go up to hundreds per referral, which quickly adds up to a lot of blogs and even companies or non-profit like WordPress. And sources say they pay WordPress $120 to $150 per sign up that need the money. So on another side, how to make money blogging, there are some tips to make money. Join an ad network and write a sponsor post and create online courses, sign up and sell physical products, sell digital products, and join an affiliate program. So again, affiliate program is the one of the best and easiest way to make money on Bluehost. And there are some another tips for making money. And promote your blog, post relevant content, keep up with industry trends, and create multiple income streams, enhance the user experience, so that can make the monetize your blog. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.